Happy Mother's Day. I'm about to go out for lunch. Like I said, I'm about to go out for lunch. Here's the fit. I had to pick something out from the closet. I haven't went shopping for myself in so long. So half my clothes, the majority of my clothes still don't fit. I gotta lose about 10 more pounds for my clothes to fit. And then, so I'm still stuck wearing leggings and sweatpants. So I had to just pull this out of the closet. I'm glad it is stretchy. So I ain't got to worry about none of that. And yeah. And hopefully my makeup look right because I haven't done makeup in so long. I don't even remember how to do it. But here's the look. So yeah, I'm going out to lunch with my cousin. So yeah, and the babies, their dad just picked them up. And he's going to keep them till Wednesday. So yeah. Hey guys, I'm back. As you can see, I'm going out for lunch for Mother's Day with my cousin. Yeah, with my cousin. We're going to a new restaurant in my area called Burton's Grill. Never been there before, so we're going to check that out. Yeah, it is a beautiful day today. It's supposed to rain, but I don't think it's gonna rain. Maybe later on, but right now it is nice and sunny and warm and beautiful out here. So that is a 10. Like I said in the previous clip, the babies, their dad picked them up 30 minutes ago, and they'll be with him until Wednesday, I think. Yeah, till Wednesday. So yeah. That's the only downside of separating or divorcing or whatever the fuck from the father. You have to share them damn kids. I mean, it's good to get a little break, but not all them damn days, okay? Like, that's one thing I'm never gonna get used to. Like, even though my toddlers go through terrible twos, and Lord, he is just Chucky, okay? But nah, I don't need that big of a break, but, it is what it is. So, I don't know if I recorded yesterday, but I did take some pictures. I might insert the pictures in this vlog. But me and Cairo, we was outside yesterday playing with the chalk. Yeah, playing with some chalk and drawing pictures and stuff. He did his little scribble scrabble. But he was more interested in collecting the chalk and holding them like somebody gonna take them versus drawing. So yeah, I might insert the pictures. That's what we did. And then, if you looked at my last vlog, you see that we went to the library for Mother's Day weekend for Mother's Day story time and craft. He wasn't interested in that craft, so we went in the library play area and had some fun there in Egypt. So yeah. I'll see you guys at the restaurant. All right, guys. Apparently, the reservation was for 3:30 and not 3, so I'm early. But everybody lives close to each other, so they are on their way, and the restaurant is close to where we live, so it's not a biggie. So I'm in here chilling. So let me show you around. It's real nice in here. It's like semi-upscale, but not too fancy. Very nice. Very cutesy. So now that I'm looking at my makeup, it looks wonderful. Okay, I still got some skills. Whoop, whoop. So I'm looking at the drink menu. I'm not much of a drinker. I drink maybe twice a year. I usually get mocktails. But, I might be getting a little wine or something. Let's see. That's how I order both. Hey, guys. I just left the restaurant. The restaurant, I would give it a 7 out of 10 stars. And the only reason why I give it a 7 is because they didn't have too many menu items, especially menu items that I would eat. Like, I'm a picky eater, they didn't have too much of a variety on the menu. But overall, the service was good, and the food items that I did get was awesome. So I got all appetizers. I got the bread, and their garlic butter and this green sauce that they had was so bomb. I got the wings. I got I believe it's called honey sriracha wings, and I also got the Memphis dry rub wings. Those were good. It came with blue cheese. And then I also got the Philly cheesesteak egg rolls, and it came with like a spicy ketchup that was bomb. I asked for all flats on the wings. They charge you an extra $2. But when they brought out my order, it had flats and drums. So they actually gave me another batch of wings with all flats. So I got like two different orders of wings, and I got it for free. I'm winning today, period. Ooh, my makeup held up. I'm winning today. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to go to this dessert shop and get me like a couple of cupcakes. And then I'm gonna go home and rub my feet together and take a nap and watch and catch up on my shows. Cause you know, when you have small kids, you cannot watch your shows in peace. You have to watch Miss Rachel and all of that foolishness. So I'm gonna catch up on my shows, rub my feet together, fall asleep, wake up, fall asleep, wake up. And that's my plan for the rest of the day. It was beautiful earlier, but it's actually rainy and all chilly right now. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Happy Mother's Day, y'all. All right, guys, so I just went to a local bakery and treat shop called Totally Baked by Tay, and they have a special on their half dozen cupcakes. So I got the half dozen cupcakes for $22, and I got the specialty cupcakes. Like I said, this is a local bakery and treat shop. All of these are handmade by her. So yeah, so let me tell you the flavors that I got, and this is what it looks like. I'm big bag. Even though I'm supposed to be on a diet, today's a holiday, I'm going to be big bag. So I got stuffed banana pudding. I got lemon cheesecake, strawberry crunch cake, orange creamsicle, chocolate covered strawberry, and it was one other one. It was another cheesecake one. But yeah, those are the ones that I got. And that's what it looks like. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna go home, rub my feet together, eat some of my leftovers, eat me a cupcake, and take a nap, wake up, take a nap. You know how it goes. And I might do some things around the house as well. Cause you know, when you have small kids, they will wreck your house, okay? Toys everywhere, okay? And then my 2-year-old, Cairo, he like to throw things oh my gosh, he just like to throw things at clothes. If you have clothes sitting on the bed or on the chair, he gonna throw it. And matter of fact, I am down a remote control. I don't know what he did with this remote control. I checked underneath the bed. What could he have done with this remote control? I need to find that daggone remote control. And it's something else that I lost that not lost, he the one who, you know, took it and did something with it. What was it? It was something else I was supposed to be looking for. I know it's the remote control. I just found one of Egypt's bottles. He hides everything. There's something else that he hid and I cannot find. I just found the baby monitor. Hopefully I find the remote control when I get home too. But yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm at home in my beauty room / guest bedroom / storage room. And I want to show you what I'm into now. Girl, I'm always stuttering. Can't get it together because my mind is racing faster than I could talk. You know, that's what happens when you have ADD. Okay? Anywho, so I decided that I'm going to attempt to try to do my own nails at home, meaning my toes and my fingernails instead of going to the nail salon, because spending $130 every 3 weeks is getting kind of pricey, okay? So we're gonna see if I'm able to keep it up and able to do a decent job to where I'm gonna spend that type of money every 3 weeks, every 2 to 3 weeks, okay? So I use regular polish on my toes. They look decent. You can't get close to it, too close. But if you look at it far away, it looks pretty good, okay? But I went on Amazon and got the gel nail polish kit. It has like, how many colors? Oh, 24 colors in here, and it's all like pastel colors in here. And then I got the what is this? Oh, gel nail polish top coat and base coat. And I think it's no wipe, I believe. No wipe top coat and base coat. It's called, and it's by V Shine or whatever, something like that, child. And then I got the Beatles Builder gel nail set. I got it in clear, and I got it in this like light pink color. And then I got my my UV light from Amazon as well. And then I have this duster fan. Of course I had to get it in pink. All of these things, like the duster fan was only like $15. This this UV light was only like probably $15 as well. The Beatles Builder Gels was $10. This was $10 as well. This was $10 as well. I already had a drill. I've been had that when I tried to do dip nails a long time ago, and that shit was a disaster. So I gave that away. So let's see if this is going to work, okay? We'll see. Let me watch a tutorial. All right, guys. So the process itself was very quick, you know, if you know what you're doing. So this is what my nails look like, a hot mess. But I think with practice, it will get better. So I'm going to keep at it. I decided to do a French manicure. So with practice, and as my nails grow out, I think it will get better. So we'll see. Hey guys, so me and my picnic is going out for a little drive, and we might go to the YMCA today to get out of the house. Because if you have toddlers, you know you can't keep them in the house all day, okay? Because they will drive you crazy and drive themselves crazy, okay? So it's a nice day today. It looks like it's gonna rain later, but still kind of nice. It's breezy, not too cold, but it's definitely not hot. So you need like a light jacket, light sweater still. So yeah, we're gonna go for a little ride, and then we are going to the YMCA to see what they have for toddlers. So I'll check back in later. Hey guys, we're back home. Took my makeup off. I'm trying to get these kids to take a nap, child. They need a nap, especially this one right here need a nap. Say hi. Hi. Yeah. Say hello. This one need a nap, okay? So we was checking out some apartments. We were checking out some apartments next to us because my lease is up at the end of December. I've been here for 6 years. And the only reason why I'm thinking about moving is because I need a complex that has covered parking. Because I will not be shoveling nobody's snow. Okay? So that's the only reason why I will be moving. Yeah. I'm not shoveling up no snow. So I need a place that offers covered parking or private garages. Yes. And then we rode around. We went to the Y. They don't have any programs for toddlers. And that's ridiculous. They only have tiny movers on Mondays and Wednesdays at 9:30 or 10:30 a.m. They don't think people work. Like, who's that for? And then, so I was like, let me just get the Y membership so I could get a discount on swim lessons. That's the only reason why I have the Y membership. So, yeah. Let me see if I can get them to sleep. And look at it get pow pow. Get out of there. That is not for you. That's for Sissy. Hey, guys. Today is Sunday. And look who I got. Cairo. Say hello. Hi. So, we're waiting for the little trolley that takes us around town. We're just going for a little ride. It takes us all around the town. And it's free. And they do it all day on the weekends. So we're just going to take a ride and enjoy the weather. Right, Cairo? Cairo, we're having fun. Yeah.
She parked right there. They made you money there. Where does that, you know the lady that lives, she's like 105 and she lives up here?
Oh, yeah.
Since my